স্যার এই গ্রুপের মধ্যে আমার কন্ট্রিবিউশন আছে স্যার।
Stop. Guys, please.
Start. Who's doing the recording? Jyojit, you are okay.
Oh shit. यही सामने बैठा है. Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the topic that we have been provided, that is spread humanity, not hatred. So now the question arises, what is the difference between humanity and hatred, and what does it mean? So humanity means when you help anyone without being selfish, and when you help anyone when he is in need. On the other hand, hatred means when you feel something negative about that people, and when you want to do something bad for the people. So the difference is that humanity and hatred cannot go along the same path. Humanity and hatred has different directions. They can never be on the same track. We cannot put humanity and hatred on the same line. So I will gonna say about this topic by some examples. So first example is religion must die for humanity to live. So religion plays a very important role for creating hatred. Recently we have seen that in nearby our place where in Asansol, accident has happened where Muslims and Hindus have faced some religion problem, and there we saw that a lot of hatred has happened, and that has spoiled everyone's life and everyone's houses and all. So a big disaster has happened there, and so we must create humanity to cut the hatred. And now my second point is, love is what you make of it, and hate is what makes of you. So love is within you. You have to find the love. You have to create the love and humanity. It's within you. You have to just see it. And hate, everyone can think hatred. Everyone can see negativity. I mean, everyone can think about the people who is negative. So at last I would say that think positive, stay positive, do good to the people, because you will not gonna pay anything. It won't harm you if you will be good to people. And if you will do something bad to the people, someone is watching, and it's karma. So that's about it. Thank you. Very good.
Hello everyone. As Anjali said, humanity, why? Actually, we have to say that like trees and waters and energy, humanity is one of the most important things for humans to survive. Because right now, hatred is spreading very fast. You can see in Syria and also in right now in our area. So, one of the most important thing is humanity. We need to survive, and how we need. We have listed some points, so they will explain. Thank you.
Wow.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Now I'm talking about this point, humanity help us to understanding others. So I'm talking about what is humanity. Sir, humanity help us to understand others. Understanding others is very important for survive human beings. So that's all, and then explain number 2, Rupam.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. My name is Rupa, and I'm going to explain that hating someone is like holding burning coal. It's a kind of, not a word, it's a line. So it's mean the coal means hatred. If you are holding a coal for getting hurt, to hurt someone, it means you are burning yourself. Okay, so it's like the anger and hatred both are the same. If you think these two things are the main thing that block our minds to do something what is the right for this situation and what is the wrong for this situation. So we have to make it very clear and make it ourselves that we don't have to stuck in the anger and hatred things, because the main things when we are in anger or hatred by someone and by someone's others, we have hatred to someone. So that's why we are do something that is very stupid things to do and survive the whole life with this some kind of consequences and inside the regrets that we have done something wrong. So my opinion is, don't hold the anger and hatred to yourself. Let it go and make humanity go loud and say that we love all the humans and be proud yourself. Thank you. That's all.
Good morning, sir. It's Anju Soni. My topic is humanity is like water. Can we live without water? No. So if anybody, everybody killed everyone, so where we go our humanity? Mahatma Gandhi said the ocean, humanity like ocean. If some drops are dirty in ocean, that ocean becomes never dirty. That's all. Thank you.
Hello guys and sir. So my topic is spread humanity, not hatred. So humanity is important atmosphere of our life because it's affect our culture and human beings. We can see many topics and my topic is humanity thought empathy. Humanity is empathy. We live in world. That world is our first world. And we see all things like technology and anything. But behind that is called empathy. And our human beings five. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today our topic is spread humanity, not hatred. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught of love. For love comes more naturally to human heart. Thank you.
I have a question. Why people learn to hate? Why people must learn to hate?
Hey, Debrina. Debrina, why?
दीपिका देवली क्यों अंदर जाता था?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Today I am going to say the topic spread humanity, not hatred. India is a secular country. People live here with people from different religion lives here with same goal of earning a good quality of life, or we can say a comfortable life. So living in the same country, there is no need and using hatred as a weapon to achieve goals when humanity can do that in a better way. Hatred can only lead to destruction, but humanity can often lead to construction. That's all. Thank you.
Sir, how was the speech?
Let it be.
Are you recording?
Yes, sir. I did.
Talking.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, my dear friends. Well explained by my fellow friends. Everyone has explained very nicely, but I'm going to demonstrate before you all. Our topic is spread humanity, not hatred. This man is thinking, what is hatred and what is humanity? So he is thinking. So here we have given some symbols, smileys and wording. Some people are worried. Why are they worried? Because hatred is spreading as fast as fire. So it is destroying humanity. And this man is happy because he is happy with the humanity, with the little bit humanity present or left within other beings, living beings. So this person is thinking, what is humanity? So in humanities, many things are there. For example, peace, mercy, religion, many things are there. Among mercy, the main thing that comes before us is peace. So here, our good painter has did a painting of the symbol of world mercy, world peace. So this indicates that we should always forgive others the word brotherhood thing should be there right from our birth, and we should make others comfortable with us. We should keep peace everywhere. Next is hate and love. We have made a board of where hate is going aside and love is going in the other side. This states that hatred and love cannot stay together. Hatred is something, a negative power, and love is a positive power which affects a person more than hate. Then here we have drawn a Hindu boy and a Muslim man, a Hindu boy and a Muslim boy. They are fighting. They are not fighting. They are just loving each other. They are not showing communalism. They are showing secularism, and secularism is the best thing behind humanity, because humanity is the best religion. Islam, not Hindu, not Christian. The best religion is humanity. And at last, here we have given a quotation: love is what you make of it, hate is what makes of you. Love comes from our within, from our heart. And at last, but not the least, Conrad Lorenz famous quote, that is, hatred of humanity and love of animals make a very bad combination. That is, hatred of humanity. If you are hating any human being, then it is the biggest crime. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning all, my name is Sanjay Modi. Our topic is spread humanity, not hatred. So I will tell how to spread humanity. So first of all, what is humanity? Humanity is a virtue associated with basic ethics of altruism delivered from the human condition. There are three strengths of humanity. First one is love. Love has many different definitions ranging from a set of purely biological and chemical processes to a religious concept. Love is a mutual feeling between two people characterized by attachment, comfort, and generally positive of feelings. Number two, kindness. The quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. A good example of kindness in a program founded Bahadur Chand Gupta, who provides airplane ride experience to the unprivileged and poor Indians for just $1 USD. That means 66 rupee in India. Number three is social intelligence. The capacity to know oneself and to know others is as inalienable a part of the human condition as in the capacity to know object or sounds, and deserve to be investigated no less than these other less charged forms. I would like to end up my speech by saying humanity is my race, love is my religion, peace is my weapon. Thank you. That's
Good morning everyone. At last I am going to say all the religions should be respected because everyone is human being. Humanity should spread, not hatred. Human relation is an important part on our career success. That's all.
Okay, last but not the least, it's humanity which makes us better than animals and other things. So we have to keep humanity to all of them. That's it. Thank you.